Morristown has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Claiborne County in East Tennessee, northwestern Hancock County in East Tennessee, south central Lee County in southwestern Virginia, until 4 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:13 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over New Tazewell, or 12 miles southeast of Mid-Lesboro, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Tazewell around 3:20 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Sneedville around 3:40 Eastern Daylight Time. Jonesville around 3:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Springdale, Howard Quarter, Ewing, Evanston, Powell River Preserve, Rose Hill, and Kyles Ford. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.